Hi everyone, it's Gia Milazzo Smith with Designs by Gia Interior Design, and today I'm in my office. This is actually where 99% of the design process happens. This is where we do drawings, where all of the specifications are chosen for projects, all the design presentations are put together. I even meet with clients virtually, as well as coordinate everything with all of my contractors and vendors from right here. So luckily for me, things haven't been disrupted too much as far as how we work. However, I know everybody's all cooped up inside, as I am as well, and we're trying to do our best to function and keep things running. So I wanted to hop on today and just bring you a few things that you can do to help your home to feel a little bit more peaceful right now, to lift your spirits. I know that you're cooped up inside, so let's go over a few things that you can do that you'll see on my blog today to help your spirits feel a little bit more lifted in this time. Number one, get some new bedding. This is a great time to splurge on that set of sheets that you might have wanted to get, adding new pillows to your bed. Go through and see if there's anything that needs to be replaced, maybe adding a new comforter or throw to your bed, new pillows, some new pillowcases, trying satin or a silk pillowcase. It's a little bit of luxury and it doesn't take a whole lot to do. You can order things online and it definitely will boost your spirits a little bit. Number two, adding a new throw or blanket in the living room. It sounds like another small thing that you can do, but it adds a little bit of luxury. Like I said, you're probably spending a lot more time in your living room right now as you're working from home, or maybe you've got a few minutes to sit down and read a book or watch a little Netflix. But why not add a little bit of luxury to your home in the living room area as well? Adding a nice throw with some texture, maybe some fur or a wool blanket or something that's really tactile can actually help you to feel a little bit better, and you can be able to cozy up on a day like today, which is actually a little bit rainy here in New England, and adding that new blanket or throw could really help you with that. Number three, adding a little bit of fragrance to your home. I love fragrance in my home. Every morning when I come into my office, I actually put on my diffuser and add a little bit of lavender oil. It helps the air to really be fragrant. Adding fragrant candles, they're also great. Also things that you can order online, or you might have some in your home right now that you could use. Then the next thing, just try moving your furniture around a little bit. Experiment your home right now. Take advantage of having maybe a few extra hands in the house right now to move some of the heavy things, and just switch up maybe some of your larger pieces. Move your sofa, change it, and just try and experiment. See if things feel a little bit better. Sometimes just switching things up makes a huge difference, and you don't know unless you try. Definitely getting professional help is the best way, but right now you're at home, so why not experiment a little bit and see if you can think out of the box with your furniture arrangement, move some things around, and if anything, it'll boost your spirits a little bit. All right, let's see. Styling your bookshelves is next on the list. This is definitely something that takes a little bit of skill, but while you're home, you might have some objects that you can pull out, maybe some decorative objects, some family photos that you could frame. Maybe if you have bookshelves in your home, whether it be your living room or an office, maybe instead of just lining them all with books, break them up with some accessories. Do a few books, a few accessories. Staging that takes a little bit of practice, but if you've got a little time right now, hop in there and see what you can do. Definitely pulling out some things that you might not ordinarily display could be a great way to boost your spirits. If you've got some mementos from a vacation or some family pieces or just some things that you're really not sure what to do with, just pull them out and experiment a little bit. Maybe you'll find that you've created a whole new display that will bring you a little bit of joy. And I look forward to bringing you some more tips. I hope everyone's doing well, and I will talk with you soon. Thanks. Bye for now.